Current Affairs Today's headlines. October 30, 2022. India to contribute $500,000 for UN Trust Fund for Counter-Terrorism. Election Commission to host two-day international conference from October 31 in New Delhi. Theme: Role, Framework and Capacity of Election Management Bodies. PM Modi speaks to Qatar's Emir Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. 2. Countries to celebrate 50 years of diplomatic relations in 2023. External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar meets British counterpart James Cleverly in New Delhi, discusses Ukraine war. Information Technology, rules amended, allow the government to appoint multiple grievance appellate committees, GACs, to redress complaints over social media content moderation. Non-compliance of ambulance rule on highways will entail fines up to 1 lakh rupees. Film director Esmail Shroff, known for Thodizi Biwafai and Ahista Ahista, dies in Mumbai at 62. Assamese actor Nipon Goswami dies in Guwahati at 80. West Bengal Gov's Lakshmir Bhandar Scheme Bags Scotch Award in Women and Child Development category. 9th Annual India-Sweden Innovation Day 2022 celebrated on October 27. Economy and Corporate. India's Ministry of Defence is world's biggest employer with 2.92 million people. Statista infographic. World. India-Mozambique-Tanzania trilateral maritime exercise held in Tanzania. Russia pulls out of Ukraine grain export deal over Crimea drone attack. 103 million people forcibly displaced